If you're experiencing login failures in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to verify if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device or PC can resolve login issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them. Outdated versions can lead to login problems. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for logging into the game. Test your connection by browsing other websites or playing online games. If your connection is unstable, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. Make sure to back up your saved data before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login issues and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.